Hey fam, Chichi here, welcome back. I recently showed you all of the goodies that I got from the Brandon Blackwood Fall 2022 collection. And unfortunately, Kimora, her little dimples, I couldn't get past it. It wasn't sitting right in my soul. So I ended up contacting customer service to get me a replacement. So this is a replacement video. Before we get into it, if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I have yet to unbox this, and this came really quickly, so quickly that I haven't even sent out the damaged bag. So hopefully Kimora does not have dimples on it, but I have a strong suspicion that it might still have it just because of the type of leather that was used on the sides. But if you didn't catch my first video, I'll link it. But this is the box it comes in. Oh, she's spilling out. Okay, so we of course have our card and my receipt that just fell to the side. I'm really hoping Kimora does not have dimples. So okay, this is the Kimora bag if you're not familiar, and it's not as bad as it was. This side is definitely a lot better, but this side is still pretty dented in, but not as dented as it was. You can see how the light is reflecting off of it. It does have that dent right there, but let me show you on this side. This side, you see how you got that bubble right here? That means it's pushed out. This one is definitely better than the bag I have previously. I already have it boxed up, ready to ship out, so I can't really give you a side-by-side comparison, but it was very much so like this side of the bag. This was just a bad choice in materials, I'll be honest with you, because if you're gonna use something this smooth and stiff, and this is going to be kind of an active area of the bag, it's inevitable that this part is going to be dented. So it's all about whether or not I feel comfortable enough to still rock this bag, knowing that it's going to be dented. I really wish he would have just kept the leather that's on here, because this shiny part is just, it's unfortunate, you know? And I know a lot of you are like me. You don't want to get something that already looks used or looks damaged, and this is a brand new bag. So I still like the Kimora. Like, I wore silver just for this reason. I am going to stuff the sides just to see if it will push out a little bit more before I use it. And FYI, I understand that, you know, I have gotten a bag or two from Brandon gratis, but I still go through proper protocol as a customer because I spent my money on this. So I don't have a relationship with Brandon where I'm like, boo, like your bag is messed up, send me a new bag. No, I go through the proper emails that's listed on the account. They don't know who I am when I'm, you know, talking to customer service, but customer service, what I will say about them, they are very prompt. And especially if you are having an issue with their bag, when you're sending out your email, make sure you have your order number and attach photos, because you don't want to have the whole back and forth issue of, oh, well, let me see the pictures and stuff like that. No, you're just going to get upset. So put all of that information in the initial email so your transactions can go as smooth as possible. I am going to keep the bag because at the end of the day, I really do like how this bag looks, and I feel like it's gonna function pretty well in my life. The only thing is I have to accept the fact that this is going to be a little dented, and I think I am willing to accept that. I know this is going to be more of a casual bag, so that's why I'm like, you know, I'm not even gonna stress it too much. I just hope for the future, maybe we can switch this part out, because yeah, it don't go. And here's the thing about it. You're gonna get stressed on this part if you are using this particular pocket, because how it's even set up, right here is the stress point. So no matter what leather he chooses, it's gonna be stressed right here. Like, it's inevitable, like I said, but it's more noticeable with this particular leather, probably versus this leather. But we'll see. I'll, you know, update you guys and do my full review, because at the end of the day, Kimora is mad cute. Like, yes. In my unboxing video, I said that Brandon is starting a loyalty program, and I ended up having a $100 gift card. I wasn't gonna let that go to waste. So I was really trying to figure out which bag to get, and I settled on this one. It might not be a surprise, but it might be a surprise, but the color might be a surprise. Guesses? Anyone? Anyone guesses? I got another Cortni. Am I a pink girl? No. But again, there was something about this metallic that I was just like, I really, really like it. A very close second was, I believe, the Lisa bag. It was giving me all the Chanel 19 vibes, and some of you have even commented, like, I haven't even thought of the Chanel 19 since you've gotten that bag. And I was this close to picking that one, but I was like, I don't know. I feel like it was a little bit too big for the things that I carry now. So I was like, do I want to take that? Like, I'm probably gonna regret it. At the end of the day, it doesn't seem like it's selling out too quickly. So who knows? Maybe I'll get that down the line. But I just really wanted a fun bag, and Cortni is so fun and functional and just a pop of color to the green sea that I have going on behind me. And I'm not a pink girl. You guys know this, but this particular shade of pink and it being highly reflective, this is a pink I can stomach. Okay? Them other pinks, I don't know. But for some reason, this one actually spoke to me, and I was just like, okay, Cortni, you're doing your thing. And I like that it's kind of aged almost with all of the wrinkles, so you're not going to see any wear with it. And I think that was another motivating factor. I thought for 2.5 seconds maybe I should get the orange one, but then looking at what I can actually pair with it, I'm just like, that's not really gonna work out for me. And I didn't foresee myself grabbing it. So this one, I'm able to style this one a little bit better than I would with the orange, and I'm happy. And me getting $100 off, I was just like, cute. But I was mad because I checked my my old email, because I used to have another account and it got hacked. So I was like, let me check that email, because I never actually deleted my email. I had another $50 gift card, and I was so mad. I was like, damn, I could have got some sunnies too, because I really want the really thin ones. There's something about them. Those are mad cute. But I was like, damn, I let $50 go to waste. So I don't know why I didn't think of it earlier on, when I could have passed on the savings. So that was my bad. I dropped the ball, guys. I definitely did. So I need to make sure I check my old email accounts. I really, really like it. It looks really good in person, guys. I'm not even mad at her. Not in the slightest. I'm happy I got her in the collection. I think it's coming off a little bit more silvery as the lights hit it. But let me see. Let me try to let me get some shade to you, girl. You know? You see? Okay, that's a little bit better, but you kind of see how, I don't know. She's a razzler dazzler. Who cares? I like her a lot, and I hope you like this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.